guys, this is Maria and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to use Alfa Scalper correctly. And I am going to show you my Forex trading account so you can see how to do it. But before I start, if you haven't, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let's begin. What exactly is Alfa Scalper? Alfa Scalper is a powerful MT4 scalping indicator. It's not an EA or robot that works on all pairs and in the time frames of 1 minute and 5 minutes. Alfa Scalper has been equipped with a special adaptive take-profit technology that generates up to 3 take-profit levels depending on the market conditions. This is a powerful feature. This scalper comes with a step-by-step user guide with screenshots, tips, and trading recommendations. It will help you get the most out of this amazing trading tool in the shortest time. Alfa Scalper will inform you about every new signal via pop-up sound alert, email alert, or a push notification sent to your mobile. Signals never repaint. If you get a new signal, it will stay there. The indicator will not change its mind and reposition the signal. No repaint, highly accurate buy-sell signals, special adaptive take-profit technology, 3 types of signal alerts, and multiple trading styles, all in just one indicator. Believe me, Alfa Scalper will help you make great stable profit if used correctly. All you have to do to start winning more trades is follow the simple trading rules. First, try to use the indicator primarily during the London, US, or Asian session. It's okay to start trading even 1 or 2 hours before the opening. As with any trading tool, there is always more risk involved when trading outside recommended sessions, because the market is usually weak. Next, you need to check out the general trend of the pair. Once you determine if the pair is going up or down, you wait for the Forex signal that goes with the trend. If the trend is up, you only open buy signals. If the trend is down, you only open sell signals. So, how to determine the trend? Simply, open 1 hour or 4-hour chart and see if the price has been going up or down for the last hours or days. If the price has been going up, the trend is up. Follow only buy signals. If the price has been going down, the trend is down. Follow only sell signals. Remember, don't enter trades when there is a side trend, or the market has no clear direction, or if the signal is against the trend. Let's see an example. As you can see, here is the pair US yen, and Alfa Scalper sent a buy Forex sign. Let's see the general trend of the US yen. We open the hour chart and we can see clearly that the price has been going down and is below the 200 moving average. This is clearly an indication that the trend is down. So, the trend is down, so we should not open buy signal. We should wait for the next sell signal. Also, before you open a trade, you need to check out a Forex calendar. I use Factory. You want to avoid pairs with high importance news, the ones that are in red. In this case, we should stay away from the US dollar and CAD dollar. Also, it's best to avoid opening a new trade until the previous trade on the same currency pair, or even better, across all other currency pairs hasn't been closed. A great way to secure more pips is to aim mostly for take profit 1 and take profit 2. Achieving take profit 3 is of course possible, as you can see here. See how many pairs have reached the take profit 3. The US CAD, the US CAD, pound dollar, pound yen, but often requires a strong trend and reliable market conditions. These are the most important rules for successful trading. Master them and profit will be great. You can master them in a demo account to avoid losing money. And remember, you have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Please try using the indicator with the rules explained here so you can have better results. For more information about Alfa Scalper, enter in the link below this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. You can see how many Forex sites Alfa Scalper gave, and all of them has reached a take profit. 3 stop losses reached, and mostly take profit plus take profit. It's really a great Forex indicator. For more information, enter the link below. Bye bye.